Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps not opening on iPhone. So if apps aren't opening on your iPhone or they crash immediately after launching, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to update iOS. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. Once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on General. Now from here, simply select Software Update. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures better compatibility between your apps and iOS system. So if there is an update available, just install it. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to update the app. So next, head to the App Store, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply pull down to refresh. And if the app has an update available, just tap Update to install the latest version of app. And with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to offload and reinstall the app. So if the issue persists, you can go back to the settings and from here you can tap on General. Now here in this section, you need to tap on iPhone storage and here find the apps that's not working. Let's say it's Facebook. So just tap on it and then select offload app and offload it. And once you have done that, simply reinstall it and this will remove cache and temporary files, which often fix the glitches. And with that, let's move forward to the final step, that is to check if the app is down. So if your app is still not working, then what you can do is simply open your web browser and search for the app name, and you can check the websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting issues. And if there is a spikes in outages, then the app server may be down and you may need to wait for them to fix it. And that's it. These steps should help you to get your apps working again. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.